Hey, well, touching into snow watch. So I did the update earlier today, looking at weather coming up at the end of the week and into the weekend. But quite an unusual scenario with an area of low pressure moving out of Iceland and down across France and the Bay of Biscay. And this could turn winds into the east as we go into the end of the week and into the weekend, next weekend, the last weekend of February. And there could be some snow with that, and I said I'd have a look at some of the detail from the GFS model for snow with this update for next weekend. So I'll have a quick look in a second. Before I get on with that, just very quick to make sure you add to sleep articles on all pages, guys, of this have a browse, which is and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. Back to do that. So we've got this cold northerly wind coming down across the country through the next 24 hours. A cold front will be moving southwards, bringing rain to many parts of the country tonight into tomorrow morning. They could actually have some very slightly wintry conditions in the far south on Tuesday. There's elongation within the isobars just here, which indicates that the weather front, the cold front that's coming down tonight and tomorrow, could come back a little bit through into Tuesday morning. And if that comes far enough north, it could bring some wintry weather on Tuesday morning to the south of the country. I think that's mainly going to be rain. After that, high pressure builds through the country through Wednesday, Thursday, so it'll be quiet, cold and frosty midweek. And then here's this low pressure diving southwards on Friday. That's probably just going to bring rain or a little bit of sleet to either the far southwest of England. But as we go through into next weekend, we see that low pressure then moves into Spain and southern France, and then starts to push back northwards again through the weekend as it heads up in towards central parts of Europe through in towards Germany. Now, this is pushing the wind into the east, so going back to Saturday and Sunday, you see that the wind is going easterly on Saturday, and quite a strong cold wind coming in there across England and Wales, particularly from the east, as we go through into Sunday, and that's still with us into Monday. Now, this low pressure is a long way away, so it probably won't be bringing persistent snow or rain or anything, really, if it comes off like this, but this easy wind could still be dragging in wintry showers, and because the air is cold, those showers could be falling in snow. So let's see with the weather outlook precipitation type forecast what that's showing up. So this is for tomorrow morning. First of all, this is for Monday. Band of rain coming down across England and Wales. Behind that, there's the cold air indicating those snow showers coming in towards Scotland. So that band of rain moves through the country through the course of Monday morning and out of the way quite quickly from many of us through into midday, although it takes a long while to clear the south coast. It hangs on in the channel right way through the course of Monday afternoon, and as going to Monday evening, it actually starts to come back. So here comes the rain moving back in the early hours of Tuesday morning. Notice a little white splotch there, possibly indicating some snow for the moors of southwestern England, but this is mainly being predicted to be rain. Could be some showery, wintry conditions there through Wales in towards the Midlands early on Tuesday morning, but that looks very light, and generally the heaviest stuff is just to the south of us. So I don't think you have to worry too much about snow Monday night and Tuesday morning. After that, we bring these snow showers down into the north of the country, otherwise it's mainly dry. This is indicating an area of snow showers possibly to be moving southwards on Wednesday afternoon, so that could bring a covering of snow to parts of Wales and the Midlands. I think they're going to be showery in nature. That looks like sort of a persistent area snow. I don't think it'll be quite that dramatic, but certainly the suggestion of some wintry showers, snow showers, moving southwards on Wednesday afternoon. After that, the showers mainly go back towards the coast as we go through into Thursday. Something there through Wales and southwest England, but generally it is wintry showers dying back towards the coast Wednesday and Thursday. And then we go through into Friday and the weekend, and we start to bring in the easterly winds. So there's that low pressure diving to the south of us with the persistent rain off the coast of Ireland, really, through Friday into Saturday. And then the wind is going east, so things started moving from the east. That could bring some wintry showers in towards northern England and parts of East Anglia through the course of Saturday. But notice it does look very dry, this, going through Saturday into Sunday. There is a suggestion of some wintry showers in the east, but a lot of dry weather really being signalled here. Again, something there through Sunday across northern England, Wales, the Midlands. I think generally that's just wintry showers coming in from the east. Again, nothing significantly snowy with this easterly. And that's because the low pressure is so far away, it dies down in towards Spain, and then it pushes up to Germany. And although we get this easy wind, which could bring in those wintry showers, and the model won't pick up on those wintry showers all that well till much closer to the time. Whilst that could bring in those wintry showers, it isn't a classic snowmaker type scenario. So a lot of dry weather there moving through into Monday. This is the last day of February, Monday the 29th, and still looking mainly dry. We can have a look at the GEFS, which is the ensemble of the GFS model. So what the ensembles are is that each individual run, we see it here on this chart, so each one of these coloured lines, what I call spaghetti, is an individual member of the GFS ensemble. There's 20 of them, and at the weather outlook we can actually see all 20 members here in a row. This is the snow row at theweatheroutlook.com. We can see all 20 members and see which members are going for snow and how likely snow is over the weekend. So this is Saturday when we're firmly in that easterly wind. Pink is showing up where we've got the risk of snow, where the model, well, that member of the ensemble, if you like, is predicting snow to be falling. So on Saturday you see quite a few members actually have pink around. Most of them, interestingly, are going for it to be in the north and the west of the country, but there's a few here that has it further south. For example, this one, which is ensemble number 12, or permutation number 12, that has snow showers being suggested for England and Wales, as does number 17. That's bringing in snow showers across England and Wales as well. And actually the ones that are completely dry, that's really what we've seen from the main run of the GFS I was just looking at. They're in the minority, so there's that one just there, that one just there, and that one just there. They're ones that are completely dry, and they are in the minority. Really, most of the members of the GFS ensemble are indicating some sort of wintry conditions on Saturday. And interestingly, considering the winds in from the east, many of them seem to have it in the north and the west. If we have a look at Sunday, it does look quite a bit drier on Sunday, but again there's a few members of the ensemble that's going through quite a bit of snow. Number 2, for example, has it in the east, particularly centred around Lincolnshire. If we look down to this one, number 8, that's got some snow, quite heavy snow, even down into the southeast of the country. And number 18 also showing snow, particularly in the north and the west. And this one, number 5, has generally fairly widespread snow showers. So it does look a bit drier, I think, as we go through into Sunday compared to Saturday with the GFS ensembles. But nevertheless, there is the indication that there could be some wintry weather around over the weekend. The operational GFS, which is the highest resolution run of the GFS, which we was looking at the start, that's going for mainly dry conditions, but it's not all that well supported, particularly for Saturday, from the GFS ensembles, with many of them actually indicating the chance of some quite wintry conditions. And of course, what these won't be telling us, really, with this easterly wind, is the potential for snow showers coming in off the North Sea, because it's always very difficult for the model to pick up on showers. That won't be known until much closer to the time. So what most of these members of the ensemble are showing snow would be indicating is sort of persistent snow from weather fronts, troughs, that kind of thing. But in terms of those showers, we won't know that until much closer to the time. So it looks like the wind's going to go into the east at the end of the week and into the weekend. It's possible that could bring some wintry conditions with it. We'll know more later on in the week, so expect further updates over the next few days, particularly from around the middle of the week, where I think we will know more. But wintry potential is there, I think, next weekend, so just have to wait and see how it pans out. That's all for now then, and thanks for watching.